This was an opportunity. I will not take this. I'm not gonna take this because this is a reversal. This is a reversal point, and our stochastic support is a reversal point. But if you look at this, if this um if this form a green candle and respect this point, then I might take a sell. So I'm going to monitor these two trades. Okay. This is an opportunity. I'm just waiting for this reversal pattern. If this is not too long, I will enter the trade. So enter the trade for 2.39 because it's not too long. Let's see our next trade in case I lose it. 3.63. But I hope I don't, sha. So this is a winning trade. This is a winning trade. So guys, this was the trade I won. This was a very customary reversal pattern. It has previously happened here. I saw the morning star and it created a new high, and that's why I took this next trade and I booked profit on it. So let's take our next trade. You have a support point here. See, price moved like this. Okay, price moved like this, like this, like this, like this. Price moved like this, and it's coming, probably coming here. I thought maybe it might want to reverse and get a reversal pattern and come up here because this point looks like a strong support, but if it doesn't create a reverse pattern, I'm going to wait for it at this point. See, okay, if these markets go up, I'm going to enter at if this market goes up to green, I'm going to enter a sell. Yes, I entered a sell because it obeyed this place as a um as a resistance point. We already have a pattern here, and stochastic is also with the sellers. This is a winning trade. Okay, so this was a trade setup. I saw markets has formed something like an evening star setup here. There's a gap here, and gaps forms good support or resistance point. So when I saw that this candle came all the way here and could not break just this point, this gap point, the previous high of this red candle. So this candle had already started, so I had to switch to a flag mode. And when the price went up, I saw it as an opportunity. I was waiting for it to turn to a green candle. Then I entered the market and I won this trade. So let's look for opportunities. Okay, this would have been a good one if I was here. Um, so there's a swing position here, and you can see something just somewhere out here. And if we are to draw it, you can see that first moved like this. It came here and came up, and now price is coming down. I don't know why it's reacting here, but I'm expecting to reach here at least. Or maybe it's using just this point here as support. I don't know. Well, we just wait for at least we wait for a reversal pattern before we might want to follow the trend or wait for the price to get to this swing point. Oh, so I'm using the week of this point here. Is that the week of this point as my support or yeah to know whether I will follow. So if this candle expects this week as support, I'm going to go with the buy. But if it doesn't and forms a green candle, I just leave it. I do not have to enter the trade. But I just want a red candle to just come and expect this. So I'm leaving it. Here is an opportunity here. If I get a red candle that comes to form an inverted hammer, or the second one is if I have one that breaks this point, forms a new high, not too long, I'm going to take a buy. If it is not too long. So you can go with the buy. In case this trade is a loss, 2.51, we'll be trading with 3.82. Like in case this trade forms a red candle and expects, well, hopefully you have a win. Okay, looks like this will be a win. So it was a win. So guys, this was my trade, similar to my other trades. I saw market has already formed a reversal pattern. One, this we had an inverted hammer. We had two strong body candle. This was a three outside up position. I needed this candle to break out from this previous candle eye, should give form a new eye and should not be too long. That's why I entered just at this point and we won this trade. Okay, I just came here. Let's say I was here, I would have taken this trade for a sell. This was a short sell setup, but let's find opportunities. Okay, this broke out. If you have a green candle here, it's a very good point for us to enter this trade. A green hammer candle. I'll come back here while I quickly look at other trades that I may have marked. Okay, this is looking nice, but it's not as nice as I think it's not as nice as this. This one will give a very nice opportunity if you have an hammer candle here. But if this breaks out of this point, no, is a no. But if we have an hammer candle here, yes, we can enter for a straight down trade. Okay, it's not giving us an hammer candle. Let's see. Five. Which one is good to take? Two. One. So none. None is good to take. Let's look at this. This one looked nice to take. I would have entered this counter actually. I would have entered this trade if I was here. Hmm. Where is the trend? This is a downtrend. Okay. This is an opportunity. If my stochastic agrees with this and this breaks below, no, since it's not breaking below, it's not. Yeah, let's. It broke below, so let's take it. I took this trade because it broke below this point and I didn't want to take it, so just let's just see the results. Why I took it was because it broke below this point and I entered the trade. So that trade was a win. It was a close lose, but it was a win. So this was the trade I won, or should I say that I almost lost. Okay, this trade I would say it is not an A plus setup, and that's because this red candle did not really have as much as a significant cross from this green candle. And why I chose to enter it is because I saw that it caused it, and I knew I was entering at a safe position because I entered very close to this red candle's eye, and yes, there are probability that it will receive there was a high probability that it will receive rejection if it would go up. Trading is all about probabilities. So the act was actually expecting this candle to be a red candle, but to my surprise, it's continued as a green candle, but probably it must have been receiving what do you call it? Must have taken this part here, this parts where we have this red candle in between these two green candles, must have taken it as a support point, which is the reason why this candle is resulted to be a green candle, because it was having a push. This side is the surface, the eye of this red candle is a hidden support area, which was pushing this last candle to make it becoming green. On the norms, I was expecting this to be a red candle. Anyways, that's all. Thanks for watching.